Hello again. It's good to have you once again. Your health, your life. Today we're going to talk about how vaccines work. Not the COVID-19 vaccine, but generally how vaccines work. For us to understand that, we need to start with a brief description of what the immune system is. You see, the immune system is simply the body's way or the body's response to infection. And this infection can be caused by germs. And we know that germs can be bacteria, viruses, parasites like malaria, or any other microorganism that is out there. So how does the body respond to these germs? It responds in two levels. The first level is called the natural immune system. The second level is called the adaptive immune system because it adapts. So the natural immune system is the body's initial response to germs when they enter our body. These are the things that the body uses immediately a germ enters the body. However, these cells, or let's call them soldiers, these first-line soldiers are not efficient, and in most cases are not sufficient to contain the germ that invades the body. In that vein, the body has the second line of soldiers that we call the adaptive immune system. These are more efficient, and in most cases are able to clear off germs that may enter the body. Now, all this is happening without any administration of drugs or antibiotics to help the immune system fight off the infection. And it makes sense because think about it. How many times have you had food without washing your hands? How many times have you woken up with a lot of mosquito bites but never had malaria or never had diarrhea like we highlighted in the former? Many times. Why? Because your body's immune system is working and it's fighting off infection. So now that we've talked about how the immune system works, how do vaccines come in? Well, vaccines can simply be dead germs or live germs. What do we mean? A vaccine can be a dead germ that is injected into your body. So we get a dead bacteria or a dead virus and then we inject it into your body. By doing that, your body is going to stimulate immune cells, the specialized ones, the efficient ones from the adaptive system like we mentioned before. And these are efficient and they will clear off that dead germ, except it's already dead. So what is the whole point of that exercise? Because these specialized cells, these efficient cells have what is called a memory. So once they respond to a specific kind of germ the first time, they can easily respond in the event that you have an actual live germ infecting your body. So the response that will be given by the body from these specialized cells will be faster and even more efficient and will prevent you from having any infection from that specific germ. The other type of vaccine is what is called an attenuated vaccine. To attenuate is to reduce the ability of something to achieve a specific function. In this case, when we say an attenuated virus or a bacteria, it might mean we get a live germ, but then its ability to give you an infection has been significantly tampered with to the point that it is almost impossible for it to give you an infection unless under special circumstances. But generally, the vaccine we're talking about involves you being injected with a live germ whose ability to infect you is compromised. So the same process is stimulated and the body is going to be stimulated to produce specific cells to fight off this germ. So that in the event that you have the actual germ, the actual strong germ, which we call a virulent germ, your body can quickly respond and efficiently contain the infection. That is how vaccines work. So if you've been vaccinated against a specific bacteria, what it simply means is that in the event that you're exposed to the actual bacteria, the actual bloody bacteria, what will happen is that your body will quickly respond accordingly and contain the infection to the point that you won't even know that germ was in your body. Is this new to us? It is not. The under 5 card that women go to the clinic to immunize their children has a number of vaccines that are given. There's the polio vaccine, there's a diphtheria vaccine, there's also the measles vaccine. They all work in a similar way like we have described. And we've been using them for a very long time. So So generally, that is how vaccines work. They prevent you from having a full-blown infection. They protect you from an actual dangerous bacteria or germ that may enter your body, because your body will always have immune cells that are efficient, that are specialized, that remember exactly how to destroy that germ. So in a nutshell, that's how vaccines work. If you like this video, do not forget to subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Thank you very much for your attention, and have a lovely day, lovely evening, or a lovely morning, depending on what time you're watching this video. Don't forget again to subscribe and also to press the notification button so that each time we post a video, you'll be made well aware of it. Thank you very much.